Hello students, welcome to Padho Engineering. Today we are going to learn about difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So in the last class, that is in the previous video, we have learned about artificial intelligence, applications of artificial intelligence. So if you missed that video, just go to the playlist and watch it. So today we will start with the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning are closely related to each other, but refer to different concepts in the realm of computer science and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to machines performing tasks that would typically require human intelligence. It encompasses a broad range of techniques, including machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that involves training machines to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. And deep learning is a subset of machine learning itself that uses neural networks to simulate human decision making. It involves complex multi-layered model to process data and learn patterns. Here is a breakdown of key differences between them. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and act like humans. It involves tasks such as learning, reasoning, and self-correction. Artificial intelligence is used in various industries to automate processes, analyze data, and make decisions. AI is a broad field of computer science focused on creating machines or systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. It encompasses a wide range of techniques, algorithms, and approaches aimed at enabling computers to simulate human-like cognitive functions such as reasoning, problem-solving, learning, perception, and natural language understanding. AI systems can be rule-based, symbolic, statistical, or machine learning based. Now move towards machine learning. So machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that allows system to learn and improve from experience, that focuses on the development of algorithms and techniques that enable computers to learn from and make predictions or a decision based on data. It involves recognizing patterns in data and making decisions without being explicitly programmed. It encompasses the construction of statistical models and algorithms that enable computers to improve their performance on a specific task. ML algorithms can be categorized into three main types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Now moving towards deep learning. Deep learning involves the use of complex neural network with multiple layers. Unsupervised feature learning. It focuses on unsupervised or semi-supervised feature learning. And hierarchical feature representation, pattern recognition. Deep learning is particularly effective in tasks like image and speech recognition due to its ability to learn intricate patterns. Deep learning, that is DL, is a specialized subset of ML, that is machine learning, that employs artificial neural networks with multiple layers to learn representation of data. It is characterized by the use of deep architectures, typically with many layers of interconnected neurons, which enable the automatic extraction of features. DL has gained significant attention and success in recent years due to its ability to achieve state-of-the-art performance in various tasks, including image recognition, natural language processing, speech recognition, and more. So, AI, that is artificial intelligence, is a field that encompasses various approaches to creating intelligent systems, while machine learning, that is ML, is a subset of AI that focuses on algorithms and techniques enabling computers to learn from data. And DL, that is deep learning, on the other hand, is a subset of ML that utilizes deep neural networks to automatically learn hierarchical representations of data. Now moving towards application of AI is used for medical images analysis, drug discovery, and personalized treatment, robotics, AI-powered autonomous vehicles, drones, and industrial robots for manufacturing. Let us move towards application of machine learning. It has various applications like recommendation systems, personalized recommendation in e-commerce and streaming platform, healthcare diagnosis, machine learning algorithms, cybersecurity machine learning, which is aids in identifying and preventing security threats, and fraud detection. Financial forecasting machine learning models predicts stock prices and analyze market trends for investment decisions. Now, let us discuss about applications of deep learning. Deep learning is widely used in various fields like voice recognition, which is used to recognize and understand human speech, enabling voice assistants and dictation system, image recognition systems, allowing for accurate detection and classification of objects in images. Autonomous vehicles, deep learning algorithms are essential for the development of self-driving cars and other autonomous vehicles. Deep learning is used in medical diagnosis to analyze medical images and assist in the accurate diagnosis of disease and conditions. Now let us discuss about challenges and limitations of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Data quality obtaining high quality, diverse and labeled data for training models is a significant challenge. Interpretability. So, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning models often lack transparency, making it challenging to understand their decision-making process. Ethical concerns issues related to privacy, bias, and accountability arises due to the autonomous nature of artificial intelligence systems. Resource intensity training and deploying AI, ML, and DL models require substantial computational resource and energy. Hence, we can conclude that artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning each offer unique capabilities and opportunities for innovation in various fields. As these technologies continue to evolve, their applications will expand, driving the future of technology and creating new possibilities for solving complex problems. So in this way, we studied about differences between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. I hope you enjoyed the video.
So students, how did you find this video? Is it informative or not? If yes, do comment your thoughts, okay? And subscribe for such more videos. Till then, take care, happy learning, keep learning.